In this video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate database in Notion. Let's get started. After successfully logging in into your Notion account and being able to access the homepage, the first thing that you have to do is you want to actually create a database in which you want to duplicate. To go into the database, you want to go to the left-hand side on the navigation menu, and under Private or Team Spaces, go into the exact database. Let's say I have a database within a page, and to duplicate this, you want to hover into the database title, and beside it, you will actually see three dots. Click on it. As you can see, a drop-down will actually show, and click on Duplicate View button. Now you want to add a specific name. Let's just say Progress Goal 2, and then make sure to click. After that, you will actually see within the table itself, it will have another table beside it. Now, let's say we have a database as a whole page. In order for you to actually duplicate this, what you can do is you want to go to the page itself that has the database. You want to go to the top and the right-hand side where you will see three dots. Click on it, and then you want to click on Duplicate. Now, you could either duplicate without content or duplicate with content, but since we want to duplicate this whole thing, it is reasonable to just duplicate with content. Simply click on this one. And after that, you will see on the left-hand side that we have successfully created a duplicate for the database itself. And that's about it. That's how to duplicate database in Notion. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.